And so now last I want to talk about the wave number, and I want to talk about the spectroscopic wave number. Okay, so this gets a nu with a little tilde sign there. Okay, so it's going to be easy for us to call that a V, and I totally forgive you if you don't know all the Greek letters, but technically it's a nu with a little tilde. That's different than the frequency symbol, if you recall. Frequency is a nu, but it does not have that little tilde symbol. Okay, and the wave number is 1 over wavelength. So typically you might have seen wave number in your OCHEM FTIR as 1 over centimeters. And right, that's 1 over length. The SI is technically 1 over meters, right? Meters is the preferred SI units. And if you recall the equation, E equals hc over lambda, if the wave number is 1 over lambda, then that means we can convert any quantity of energy into a equivalent wave number by rearranging this algebraically, right? And so if I divide both sides by hc, then I recognize the wave number, which is 1 over lambda, or 1 over nu tilde, is just E over hc. Okay, and so what's useful then is to say, well, how many wave numbers is an electron volt? So go ahead and calculate that. I'm going to play some music while I am calculating that. Okay, and you can pause the video or follow along with me as I'm going to do these calculations throughout the lecture.
The revolution will be televised. And the pollution from the ocean, now with devotion. Push peace and keep it in motion. Kids gather around, yeah, I need your focus. I know it seems like the world is so hopeless. It's like Wonderland. Now fascinate me, picture and animate me, cause I'm rolling, keep holding, click clacking, crack-a-lacking, four packing, more stacking, acting a fool when I teach. Welcome to the world of the plastic beach. Yeah. Welcome to the world of the plastic beach. Mirror, mirror on the wall, boss dog, give it to him, get involved, turn it up, speed it up, slow it up, underground but he under us, undercut, shipped up, chipped out, swimming with the sharks with my gills up, turn the wheels up real tough, drinking lemonade in the shade, getting blade with a gang of pilgrims. Yeah, this my path, belly flopping rocking while I'm rocking in the bubble bath. And I'm just like that. Four zones added up to get you okay.
Okay. Okay, so I got 8,064 inverse centimeters, 8,064 wave numbers for 1 electron volt. And I'm not going to ask you to memorize stuff, but I think it's generally pretty nice to have an internal scale, if you will. What is 8,000 wave number? What is 1 electron volt? And so you can see, if you recall from your FTIR from OCHEM, you know, the highest energy that you probe is about 4,000 wave number, right? Remember that OH stretch is around 3,500 wave number, right? So 1 electron volt is outside of the IR, but it's close. It's right in that range. It's very close to the IR.